yes, it would fit on the back. So this would be you backpacking with a solar panel. It's not too bad. It's staying on there. Oh yeah, nice logo. Pale blue. Hello again, Peter here. Thanks for clicking on by. What happens? What are you gonna do when the power goes out? Solar panels. This is a company, Pale Blue. I bought their rechargeable batteries actually well over a year ago, and they still work. So I thought I'd give these a try. This is one of their new products. Recharge for the sun. This was a little over $100. The approach to portable solar panel. It's interesting. It has grip cords. Place solar panels wherever the sun strikes your tent, backpack, anywhere. Dual carabiner. Our approach solar panels are the next step for Pale Blue to help our customers power their lives in a more sustainable and convenient way. Oh, that's nice. Charge via USB-A from the sun. Go farther and approach life fully powered. Amen. Ooh, there's a utility pocket. Let's unbox it. Oh, and there's a small little piece of tape. Don't try this at home, kids. So we're going to make a small incision on the side. Oh, keep that blade away from your body and just, oh, right there, just kind of there and kind of pop it up. Oh, stuff just falling out of the sky. Grip cords, quick start guide. Ooh. I like that. Wow, there's 4 of them. So I could just strap this to my backpack. That's nice. There's little snaps. Okay, I like that design. There is some girth. Girth by meaning weight. But this would totally fit in my backpack. I could strap this onto my chest. I mean, I could see myself just putting this on the back of my backpack while I hike, and then I can charge my phone. And then it has a little control unit right there. Rotate and hyperfocus. Indicators, ready to charge, slow charging, fast charging, USB. Nice. So they have 2. Okay, they did not include a USB-C. I think that's kind of a mistake. I really wish they would have included a USB-C. Angle to direct sunlight, and then there's the pouch, neoprene. That's nice. Up. Sorry, Malacqua. Forgot to close my knife there. So the rip cords are, yeah, those are cool. So you could just attach those like so, and then attach that to your whatever. And then did it come with, so it doesn't come with any charging cables. You just have to supply your own. Basically, it would be like this, and then I can charge something, right? Could charge this phone. With the little pouch, I could put my phone in there and then keep it out of the sunlight to some degree. That would work. With the phone, my phone seems to weigh more than this. USB charging mobile phones, external chargers, rechargeable batteries. All right, questions. Email Pale Earth. 590 by 300, yeah. What is the weight? Okay, let me play with these. See you in a few days. This should be a good chest. Just gonna leave it on the dashboard here and charge my phone. Yeah. Ooh, it has a blue light. Blue is good. Blue is good. So we got the battery life at 75%. And we all know the best way to charge phones is to turn them off. There we go. 75%. Start time 10:17. I'll check on it during lunch or something like that. It's been a couple hours. Let's check on our little experiment here. So it's been sitting on the dash. It is now 11:49. Blue. So, oh, now it's red. My phone does not feel too hot. Oh, it's not giving me a charging indicator. Everything is connected. There we go. Totally safe. I'm just going to leave it on the roof of the car for a few hours.
I think it's a grasshopper. They're probably in the same species, right?
Dang, he's a biggie.
Say cheese.
Say cheese, buddy. Okay, show me your mean side.
Now be sassy.
Sassy. Give me, what's it called? Blue steel.
The man has only one look, for Christ's sake! Blue Steel? Ferrari? Latigra? They're the same face!
Give me blue steel and jump. Okay, I'll leave him alone. Charged on the roof of my car. Now I'm charging in my passenger seat while I drive home. And just like that, the day is almost over. Pale blue recharge from the sun. This is the Approach 2 that I've been using all day. I tried charging it at the office on the window seal. Yeah, that was, I just kind of laid it flow. Well, here's a little video of that. That didn't work. I tried charging it in the car while driving. And then in the afternoon, when it was really hot and the sun was just beating down on the roof of the car, I went outside, hooked up my phone, and connected it and just left it on top of my car charging for a couple hours. It got blistering hot. I'm pretty sure the Android OnePlus 9 Pro excuse me, Hasselblad phone overheated. So that is a problem because you have to you have to connect the phone. This recharge system isn't a portable battery. It's just solar panels. And I kind of knew that, but yeah, see, it shows right there, the phone sitting in the sun with that's not gonna work. I don't know why they showed that, but the utility pocket does kind of protect it, but still, here in Utah, it was 87 today. If you can't tell, I'm glistening, so it was hot today. Let's go check. It's been outside charging. I have my little digital laser thermometer, and we'll check the heat. And the lighting has been brought to you by LumeCube Flex Light Pro. Can you not see the? Okay, here, I'll show you. Whoa, we got audio cable. There we go. I just mounted my phone right on there, and then with that nice lighting, let's just turn it down. Ah, yes, that's better. At 15%, 620K, and turn it up to, so that's pretty bright, and then I can angle it just a bit so it's not directly in my eyes. Just mount that like so. Yeah. And then it's on a tripod pole so I can bring it down. And then I turn the auto framing on with my Samsung Z Flippin' 5. So now when I bring up a product shot, it zooms in and kind of follows me. Isn't that fun? I think that's fun. So thank you, LumeCube, for quasi-sponsoring this video. They don't pay me to say that, but they sent me the free light. And hey, golf clap for LumeCube because I use it pretty much every day. I don't have a lamp, like a floor lamp. I have this lamp right here in my office. There, see that light right there. So that adds some light, but I like to bounce the light right off the ceiling with these rabbit ears. Saying that I don't have any direct. One thing I would like to do with this lighting system is maybe on the next version, if you could make a dual dial so I could change the lighting on one side of the lamp to be super uber bright and bounce it, and then just tilt this one towards my face. That would be cool. You know what I mean? If I could just bounce this one off the ceiling and crank that brightness up, but then leave that at maybe 20 or 25% on my face, that would be cool. Because to do what I want to do, I would need two different lights. I mean, I have this one, but this is a pixel light that I got on Amazon years ago. It's okay. It's okay. We'll review that at another time. All right, let's go check out the Pale Blue Recharge Approach 2. Comparison, the floor, 68. The dog, how hot are you? You're 84 degrees. Are you feeling okay? Oh, look at the light, look at the light. Oh, where's the light, where's the light? Oh. Was I being mean to you? I'm sorry. I get some road noise. Roid. Okay, here we go. We just got in the shade. So we're looking at concrete. That is hard for me to read. 78 degrees. The solar panels, we're at 102. Wow. And the concrete, 94. Now we can check on the phone. How hot are you, phone? 93. That's pretty warm. and somehow it turned on. Password time. All right, it is now 16:05. I've been trying to charge the phone all day. And if we go to the battery setting, it shows a little dip, but it's at 79% and it's charging. We have green status, so I'm gonna put it into airplane mode. That's gonna help reduce the heat, and then we'll put it back in the pouch and come back. But hey, it's, you know, it's getting there. It is super hot out there, so we'll just leave it there for an hour. I wrote down the stats in my Remarkable, and we'll see how it goes. I'll actually check out in 15 minutes. I don't want that phone to overheat, so we wanna make sure I keep the phone out of direct sunlight. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, hot. Oh, it's 100%. Hey, that's pretty good. And time of experiment ending, 17:04. How hot are you? 116. Woo. And the temperature of the solar panel, 132. I wonder what else we can charge. There's no overheating warnings on the phone. And then now that I've brought it indoors, my puppy's interested. 112. 110, back the phone, ooh, 94, really hot. That is really hot, but it works. And the indicator shuts off when it's not charging anything. So I wonder what happens if we just take it outdoors. Yeah, you have to have something plugged in, otherwise there's no indicator. Ready to charge. It will turn red just for a second, meaning there's enough light. Awesome, all right, nice little spike. So all in all, it took hours to charge my phone, but it works. The solar panels work. Boy, did it get hot though. I wonder how this would fare in the desert. Arizona, Death Valley. I think the phone would get so hot even behind the solar panels that it would not work. And that takes me back to the photo. There's no way you could leave. See there, that's just bad marketing. The phone, I guess they're just showing, okay, it's marketing photo. They're just showing that you can charge a phone. But don't keep your phone in direct sunlight. It'll overheat and die. So what else is there to say about that polar blue solar panel? Well, let me show you. Yeah, I don't have it. I returned it. I didn't like it. One, it was really slow. Two, it lacked USB-C, and USB-C is a lot faster for phones. And, well, it needed a power pack. If it had a power pack, then I could just leave the solar panel on my car all day, charge the internal battery, and then charge my phone on a hike. And I don't know. I would like it if it had both options, to charge live and to charge a backup battery. But all in all, I mean, for, you know, 160 bucks, I think for 99, I would have kept it. But being the fact that it was 150, that was just a wee bit too much. Let me know your thoughts, pithy comments, type those down below. I'll have another video about some gadget or watch or ring or the Mind Lax. That's coming up probably next week. I'm on day 3 with this really cool bed and relaxation device. It's not a bed, it's a therapeutic mattress to calm your mind and calm your body. It's really cool. It's coming soon, very soon. So if you want to like and subscribe, great. If not, I don't care. Goodbye.